In this video, I will show you how to hide or rearrange columns on the inventory page in Shopify. Recently, Shopify has made this feature available to all stores, which essentially allows merchants to simplify the inventory page. So as an example, as you can see currently, there's a product column, SKU, and 3 of the inventory columns like committed, available, and on hand. For the example purposes, I wish to hide the committed column and the on hand and move the available column closer to the product column. So in order to achieve that, in the top left corner on the inventory page, where it says all, just click on it and then select Edit Columns. Then let's go ahead and hide the committed column and then on hand column. And now let's go ahead and also move the available column closer to the product. Now, once that's done, let's click Save. As you can see, it's much more simplified. So I hope you found this tip helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.